Draw Learning. Hello guys, welcome to Draw Learning channel. Today we are going to draw a pretty rose while we learn Spanish. These are called petals, that in Spanish is said, pétalo. All petals make up the flower. Flower in Spanish is FLOR. Come on guys, it's looking very good. These are the leaves, that in Spanish is said, HOJAS. Very good. We draw the stem, which in Spanish is TALLO. These are the thorns, but be careful, they sting. Thorn in Spanish is ESPINA. Now we use a larger marker to highlight our drawing. It's time for the question of the day. How do you say rose in Spanish? At the end of the chapter, we will know it. Now let's fill the drawing with color. We use red. Red in Spanish is ROJO. Now let's go with the green color. Green in Spanish is VERDE. Let's see if you know the answer. Rose in Spanish is ROSA. Fantastic! You have got it right. Very good. If you liked the video and you want to see more, feel free to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next drawing.